Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? We are back with another video. My name is Purple/NFT. You know me, and in today's video, I'm going to be minting 3 different projects that are all dropping today. LYKE Island, Blocks by Harv, and Star Catchers. So right here, we're here with the first mint, a collection of 120 NFT plots, island plots, and we are about to connect our wallet. So let's go ahead. I got this link from the official links of LYKE Island Discord. Remember, never go to any links outside of the official links from a Discord, because a lot of them are either scams or phishing, just to let you know. So right here, connect wallet, connect my MetaMask. Right here, we are going to click on next, click connect. It's going to connect. And then it should let me mint now. Click on mint. Right here, 0.06, $155, which is super cheap, only $29 in gas, $185 in total. That's good with me. Click on confirm. We should be good to go. We should have our first mint of the day. So let's go over to OpenSea and check to see if it is indeed in our wallet. So right here, we can see that our mint went through. Right down here, we got plot number 55 for LYKE Island. If we go and click on LYKE Island, currently the floor price is 17 ETH. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I don't know what this project is actually going to do floor wise, because I know a lot of people in the Discord all talked about not wanting to sell it. So we'll have to see. The floor price is 17. I don't know if it'll stay here, if people will list lower than that. Right now it's yeah, it's I don't even know, but we will be back in a little bit with the next mint. All right, so here we go. We're about to mint the second project, Star Catchers. So we can see, looking in the chat, everything looks really good. The gas seems like it was really low for everyone. Looks like everything's going good. So always go to the official links. Here we are going to click on connect my MetaMask. Bada bing bop boop bop pow. Choose my wallet. Connect. It's connecting. 1900 already minted. I'm gonna mint 2.111 each. Mint 2. So the gas is $80, not bad. $600 for 2. Gonna confirm that. Transacting pending. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait to see what happens after this transaction is done pending. Transaction was successful, so that's good to go. So now we could go to OpenSea. So I'm gonna click on the OpenSea link from here. Floor price is currently 1. Check my profile. So now we can see in our wallet, we have the LYKE Island plot. We also have both Star Catchers. So now we got 2 out of our 3 mints for the day, and we got 1 more being blocks. And I will show you guys when we get that mint. Okay, no lie, I've been waiting to mint this for like 2-3 hours. They had a little hiccup in the way that the whitelist minting was going on, because the gas was like way too much. The way that they coded it, they ended up having to do it in waves. So now my wave is up and the reveal is instant. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and click on mint. All right, so we are here now. I should be able to connect my wallet. Oh man, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna click on connect. It's going to connect me up here. Choose my wallet, choose connect. I'm gonna mint 2. Got mint. Please do not attempt to mint more than 2 blocks. Transaction would fail, you would lose gas. All right, all right. Right here, estimated gas fee is $166. Hit confirm. So the mint went through. So now we should be able to go to OpenSea. Oh man, I'm so excited. We'll see what we get. Ooh, we got the boyfriend and the good quality vinyl. This one's fire. Oh, that's fire. Nice. Hell yeah. So we go over to the blocks. The floor price is almost an ETH, which is pretty high. That's actually pretty fire. And then let's look through these. I know one of these, the R2D2, I'm pretty sure sold for 5 ETH. Wow, this one's gas. Wow. My favorite one, it kind of looks like a Waldo. I don't think anyone's minted it yet though. Yeah, no one has minted it yet. There's some fire ones in this collection. This one's gas. Miles Morales. Yeah, someone minted Miles earlier too. Oh my gosh, that's fire. There's mine, boyfriend, and good quality vinyl. Yo, someone minted on the shoulders. No way. Wow. That's fire. 15 minutes ago. No way. Wow. Super gas. Yeah, this collection is insane. I am blown away by this collection, to be honest. It's so good. It's actually unbelievable. So we got the blocks collection is there. Then the Star Catchers collection that we minted earlier, which is sitting at about an ETH. And then we also got the LYKE Island collection, which I don't believe anything is sold from this collection yet. And the floor price is sitting at 12. So all in all, really, really good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Definitely go and check out the blocks. The blocks are fire. But until next time, it's been your boy, Purple Slushy. Peace.